While a great bottle of olive oil outfitted with a spout will see you through many cooking endeavors just fine, an oil sprayer is even better, as it mists a fine layer of oil over your food rather than pouring a big glop. With this, you won't waste any oil, and as an added bonus, a sprayer looks nice on the countertop since it keeps your supply in a manageable sized and relatively attractive container. So in this video we will discuss 5 best oil sprayer for air fryers. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Misto Oil Sprayer for Air Fryer. The Misto sprayer is about as close as you'll get to the commercial aerosol sprayers, without the addition of any potentially harmful propellants. Point 1. It's easy to use. The pump-style cap requires just 2 steps for operation. Simply pump the container, and then press the valve on the pressurized sprayer to release the mist. It's highly versatile, too. You can use the sprayer for all of your favorite oils, as well as vinegars, citrus juice, sherry, or Marsala wine. If there's any downside, it's that this particular sprayer has quite a few parts to clean. Thankfully, you only need to give it a thorough scrub down every 6 to 8 weeks. What we like: easy to operate, BPA free, available in a variety of styles, even sprays. What we don't like: can be difficult to clean. Number 2. Wayeept Oil Sprayer for Air Fryer. There's a lot to love about this sleek oil sprayer. The sprayer has a host of great design features, especially for the budget-friendly price: a slim and easy-to-hold food-grade glass bottle, a stainless steel nozzle, and an anti-slide design. There's no need to spend extra time pumping either. To operate the oil mister, all you have to do is gently press the button. The result is a fine mist that perfectly coats food, whether you're spraying olive oil or another cooking oil, vinegar, or soy sauce. To add to the value, the sprayer also comes with 2 cleaning brushes, one small and one large, as well as an additional tube to increase the item's usable lifespan. What we like: sleek design, easy to hold and use, comes with cleaning brushes, compact. What we don't like: mist isn't always consistent. Number 3. Purelite Oil Sprayer for Air Fryer. The pretty blue color of this glass bottle does more than add to the aesthetic. It helps darken the bottle to keep sunlight out, thus prolonging the shelf life of the oil inside. The glass is also nice and thick and coated with a safety film to prevent breakage in case it slips out of your hands while you're working. Thanks to its pump-style operation, the sprayer deposits a very thin, even mist that's perfect for a wide range of uses, including coating food or baking pans. To use, simply raise and lower the cap to pump up the bottle about 30 times until you feel resistance. Then, when you press down on the nozzle itself, it dispenses the perfect coating of cooking oil. What we like: durable, dark glass to prevent spoilage, easy pouring and cleaning, UV light protection. What we don't like: have to pump it 30 times. Number 4. HIC Kitchen Oil Sprayer for Air Fryer. The Evo stainless steel oil mister is a very popular option because it delivers a nice, even coat of cooking oil without the hassle of pumping before spraying. And no, it doesn't require any propellants either. The spray bottle, an 18/8 stainless steel bottle with a BPA-free plastic sprayer, has an easy-to-use ergonomic trigger. Simply pull once to release the cooking oil inside the bottle. Coverage is nice and even, too. The nozzle is specially designed to spray in a vertical or horizontal fan spray pattern that allows for more control and more precise application. Another trait to love? The oil mister has a very large 16-ounce capacity, so avid cooks won't have to constantly refill the bottle. What we like: ergonomic trigger. Releases the same amount of oil with each spray. Large capacity. Non-aerosol. What we don't like: pricey. Number 5. Norbase Oil Sprayer for Air Fryer. If one of the primary reasons you want an oil sprayer is to evenly dress salads or veggies, we love the idea of this 2-pack. It affords you the opportunity to fill a second bottle with your favorite vinegar. Of course, you could also use the set for 2 different types of cooking oil, if you regularly cook with more than one type. Either way, it's a nice luxury to have 2 different bottles on hand, No cleaning, drying, or refilling necessary. We love that the side of the glass bottle has measurements on it, too. This makes it extremely easy to whip up your favorite dressing directly in the bottle if you prefer something a little more flavorful than a duo of olive oil and vinegar. The set presents an excellent value. It also comes with a basting brush, a cleaning brush, and a funnel for easy filling. What we like. Great value. Comes with helpful accessories. Bottle has measurements. What we don't like. A bit top heavy. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.